Who cuts people's hair in the middle of the night?
I do. They call me the Midnight Barber.
Yeah, well, that's an infringement of people's liberties.
Is it?
Yeah, so don't ever be doing that to me.
I do it to you.
What?
Who do you think cuts your hair, Einstein?
My hair just doesn't grow very fast.
What, you think it stays that length naturally? I'm in there in the night, styling away.
How dare you do that to me in the night, when I'm oblivious?
I do my best work when you're oblivious.
And what's your talent, young man? I can do a high pitch like Ariana Grande. Let's hear it. Alright.
Emergency assistance, this is Trina.
Well, we locked our baby in the car and people are judging us.
I swear to God, I'm gonna break it!
Do not break the window, you'll get glass on her.
Sir, please tell your wife to relax. Everything is going to be okay.
That's a man.
Really?
Don't worry, Lily! Lily, Daddy's coming for you!
Sir, we just sent the signal. The door should be unlocked now.
Check the door. Check the door, check the door.
It's not unlocked! Oh.
Okay.
That is amazing. How did they do that?
I defeated the Overlord once before, without any Oni form, remember?
Whatever happens to me, wherever I am, I will always be with you.
She's up all night to the stars. I'm up all night to get started. She's up all night for good fun. It was I who possessed the serpent that bit your hand.
For the snake's venom could turn the purest of things wicked.
My parents and everyone I ever knew had vanished.
You won't use your scientific studies to support Imperium, then you'll just have to find a new interest.
Hey, kid! You get lost?
I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you, I'll do anything for you to see you smile.
So, we have to split up into 3 teams.
Two little girls that came up to me, and one of them was like, she called me the B word. And the other girl turns around and is like, motherfucker doesn't start with a B.
Gonna hold you, gonna kiss you in my